How to fix cannot change country in App Store. If you're trying to change your country or region in the App Store but can't seem to do it on iOS 17, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix this issue and successfully update your Apple ID region. So let's get started. To begin, let's check if you have any active subscription. Go to Settings, simply tap on your name at the top of the screen and simply tap on Subscription. Cancel any active subscription like Apple Music, iCloud, or any third party apps. This is necessary because Apple doesn't allow you to change your region while you have ongoing subscription. Now, let's make sure there are no pending payments or remaining store credits on your Apple ID. You can do this by simply clicking on Payment and Shipping, then if there's a balance, you need to either spend it or use it up, or you can simply contact Apple support to remove the remaining balance. Another possible reason you can't change your reason is if you're part of family sharing. If you're the organizer, you need to either leave the family group or ask the organizer to remove you. To do this, simply go to settings, tap on your name again, and simply tap on family. Once you leave the family sharing group, try changing the region again. Now let's make change your region. Go back to media and purchases. Simply tap on view account. Now tap on change country or region, which is an country region, and select change country or region, or choose the new country or region you want to switch to. Depending on your country you're switching to, you might need to update your payment method. And after you've done that, simply go back, choose it, and that's it. Restart your iPhone, and if everything seems good, everything will be finalized and resolve any lingering issues. And that's it. Hopefully, one of the steps help you fix the cannot change country region error on your Apple ID.